Number 5. Surtsey Island, Iceland, in the cold waters of the North Atlantic Ocean, lies one of the world's most extraordinary islands. An island so protected that almost no ordinary human is allowed to set foot on it. This is Surtsey, a place where scientists can watch nature create a new world from the very beginning. Before 1963, Surtsey didn't exist. Beneath the ocean's surface, powerful volcanic forces were building pressure for years. Then, on November 14, 1963, the sea suddenly exploded with fire and ash. A massive underwater volcanic eruption had begun. For months, lava and molten rock poured from the earth, slowly rising above the ocean. A brand new island was being born before the eyes of the world. As the eruption continued, black volcanic rock pushed higher and higher above the waves. What had once been open ocean was now solid land. Scientists realized they were witnessing an event that almost no human had ever seen before, the birth of a completely new island. They named it Surtsey after Surtur, the giant of fire from Norse mythology. Unlike most islands, Surtsey was never open to tourists. Scientists wanted to observe what happens when nature develops without human interference. To protect the island, access was heavily restricted. Only a small number of researchers were allowed to visit under strict conditions. Even today, ordinary visitors are not permitted to explore the island. At first, Surtsey looked completely lifeless. The landscape was covered with fresh black lava and volcanic ash. But nature had other plans. Tiny seeds carried by the wind began landing on the island. Ocean currents washed plants and organic material onto its shores. Slowly, the first signs of life appeared. Soon, seabirds arrived. Gulls, puffins, and other species began using the island as a resting and nesting ground. Their arrival changed everything. Birds carried seeds from distant lands and enriched the soil with nutrients. And volcanic rocks slowly started transforming into a living ecosystem. Year after year, more plants appeared. Green vegetation spread across parts of the island. Insects arrived. New bird colonies formed. Life continued expanding, turning a lifeless volcanic landscape into a thriving natural habitat. Scientists gained a rare opportunity to study how ecosystems develop from scratch. Today, Surtsey is often called a living laboratory. Every plant, every bird, and every new species tells a story about how life colonizes new land. Few places on Earth offer such a unique window into the power of nature. Even after decades of research, Surtsey continues to surprise scientists. New species still arrive. The island continues to change. And with each passing year, researchers learn more about the incredible process of life adapting to a new world. Born from fire, protected from humanity, and transformed by nature itself. Surtsey remains one of the most fascinating islands on Earth. A rare glimpse into how life begins when nature is left completely alone. And perhaps one of the greatest natural experiments ever witnessed by humankind. Studio microphone volcano water wave.